Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Asus Vivobook keyboard light. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check your keyboard. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the on-screen keyboard right here just for you to see. So what you'll do basically is just find the function key and then press, F7 at the top. Okay, you'll have F7 right here. Okay, so hold both simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. Again, Fn and F7. And then once that's done, check if it helps. If that won't work, try Fn and then F4. If that will work, try Fn, F3, or Fn, F5. Okay, so there are some Vivobook laptops where you'll have a backlight icon, which is a special key. You can just find it. It looks like a glowing rectangle keyboard icon. Okay, so just tap or press it, and then once done, check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, find your Asus or My Asus application. Install it. It's free in the Microsoft Store. Okay, or if you don't have it, just go ahead over to Microsoft Store. Right here, find My Asus, just like so. And then just click on install. Once done, you'll find My Asus devices. And then here you gotta find your keyboard. And then in here, just tap on manage backlighting. Okay, but that is it. That is how you turn on Asus Vivobook keyboard light. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.